Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota Corolla maintenance light 2021. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then navigate to the odometer display using the trip button. Hold the trip button until the display changes to the maintenance menu. Use short presses to highlight the oil or maintenance item, then press and hold again until the light blinks and turns off, confirming the reset. Begin by ensuring the car is parked with the parking brake set and ignition on. Cycle the odometer display using the trip button until you see maintenance required or the oil reset option. Press and hold the trip button for about 5 to 10 seconds. The display will flash or show dashes, then return to the odometer reading, indicating the maintenance light has been reset and the system is clear. If the maintenance light does not reset, try the sequence again with firmer, continuous pressure on the trip button. Confirm the ignition is in the on position and not ACC or start. If repeated attempts fail, check the battery condition or consult a technician, as a faulty switch may block the menu. Always perform actual oil changes and inspections even if the reminder is cleared to keep your Corolla running safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.